So, boys and girls, long time no see. We got a little more business with the old Dell Inspiron 530 here, because my cable company, in their wonderful generosity, decided lately to upgrade the 100 megabyte a second ISP service to 200 megabyte a second for supposedly no charge. But of course I had to go and get a whole new, gigabit modem to make that happen, because the old one was only 8 years out of date. They were charging me $5 a month for. Wonderful of them, isn't it? But there you go. We got our brand new gigabit modem. And the only problem, though, is on this old 530, the network card on this is integral to the motherboard. And that's that Foxconn motherboard. I think it's the G33 model. And it's only a 10/100 megabyte network card. So even though this modem is now pushing out over 200 megs a second, the computer can only read up to 100. So let's show you what's going on here. Yes, I'm near Orlando, near the Mouse House. Boom. About 90s. 93, 94 is about the best I've seen on several tests, but I wanted to show you in real time. There we go. And upload actually has been a little worse for wear. Used to be closer to 12. Now it only gets about 11, 11 and a half at best. Of course, everybody's online these days and traffic is just horrible, so that's going to affect it too. It doesn't tell you the ping on this, but on my other test, the ping's actually down from 12 to 9, which is great. So, what we're going to have to do is get the old girl shut off and opened up and ready to go, and put in brand new TP-Link Gigabit PCIe Express network adapter card. Part number TG-3468. Did the usual research on this. This has all the latest protocols, I think you call it. It's all listed there. And it is Windows 10 supported. A lot of places you're going to see this listed for sale. It's going to show you that it's Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7. Sometimes it'll say Windows 8, but it never says anything about 10. I got this from Newegg for $15 delivered. Not bad. 2-year warranty, pretty cool. And they said it's Windows 10 supported, so it should work fine. So I gotta get the computer opened up and get this all popped in. Show you that in a moment. Oh yeah, one other thing, important tip. See that light just go out? Remove the power cord and wait for that light to go out, because that means the transformer inside your power supply is then totally discharged. You don't want capacitors in there holding a charge. When you go digging around the guts of these machines, you can cause problems and blow things up. The way to do it is take the power cord out, come around and just hold the power button down until the light goes out. And that'll totally discharge the capacitors. And of course, as usual, if you're going to take the side off your case and open it up, go ahead and clean it out. Get all the dirt out of your fans and blow the gunk out of your heatsink. Let your computer breathe a little bit cooler, a little bit easier. So here we go. PCIe. That card is going to fit in that little black slot down there. Let's see if I can get a pointer. That slot right there. And go into that slot. Just have to take this screw out, get this retainer out of the way, and take that one piece of metal out of there to put it in. Other thing I forgot. Here's the card. As you can see, not very big. It's got a regular bracket on it. It also comes with a low profile bracket for your small form factor type computers. It's got your installation guide, and it's got a mini CD with the drivers on it in case you need it. You can get the drivers online. Not a big deal. But there you go. I just wanted to let you see what came in the package. And there we go. I got it done in there, but not fully seated yet. You just need to gently but firmly, I know it sounds weird, but gently but firmly push it down into the slot. And you'll know it's down because this tab will go all the way flush with that piece of metal. So let's have a look here. I usually wear an anti-static wrist strap, but I'm not going to worry about it on this. And there we go. Just slid in nice and easy. Looking good. Get your retainer clip. Okay, like that. And we got a little hold down the screw. Goes back here. And get that put in. Just make sure that screw is firm so nothing moves. You don't want that card backing out of the slot. So there you go. So that's what it looks like. And back here, you can see got an Ethernet port on it. I've got this right next to my video card. So get it button back up, get it turned back on, we'll get the drivers working. $222 is a lot better than the 94. And the upload's improved. It's all good. I'll check the ping later, but it probably is going to stay at 9 or probably even get a little bit better. I've heard reports it's going to go down to about 6, so that's okay. No problems. And just so you know, with Windows 10, you do not need to use the driver disk or download a driver from TP-Link. It will automatically set it up for you. Just plug your Ethernet cable in before you turn the computer on. It'll sense the new equipment, the new network card. It'll install proper drivers for you, and as you can see, it's working beautifully. But that is all there is to it. I mean, this is one of the simplest upgrades you can do. If you get one of these older computers, it's only got a 100 megabit on there, and you're pushing more than 100 megabits ISP service wherever you are. This is an easy $15 fix anybody can do. Just take your time. As always, think it through, follow the instructions, you're good to go. So there you go. Sorry it was short and simple, but hey, life can go that way. Let's take the win. How about it? So if anything else comes up in the meantime, I'll let you know. Haven't been doing a lot of projects lately. Past year or so, I've been doing a lot of work on myself and actually making a lot of good progress. And I hope you all are doing the same thing out there. I wish you all well. I appreciate everybody subscribing, watching, even watching my goofy little ASMR experiment videos. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks again for coming by. I'll see you later. Bye.